Use better when comparing two things, and use best when talking about three or more. Easy, right? Let's check it out. First one. This cake is blank than that one. Only two cakes, so we use better. This cake is better than that one. Great job. Next, he's my blank friend. Out of all friends, number one, so that's best. He's my best friend. See how clear it is? Third one, today is blank than yesterday. Comparing just 2 days, so it's better. Today is better than yesterday. And tomorrow, let's hope for the best. Moving on, she is the blank singer. Among those singers, she is number one. So that's best. She's the best singer. Easy win. Next up, that shop is blank than ours. Two shops here, so better. That shop is better than ours. Don't worry, ours still sells donuts. Last one in this round. This was the blank day ever. Out of all days, this is number one, so that's best. This was the best day ever. Boom! Nailed it. Quick recap. Use better when comparing two things, and best when talking about three or more. Now try the extra exercise and check the answers near the end. I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, making these lessons for you, so please like and subscribe. Your support is the best, not just better. I'll see you next time. Bye.